y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I am doing the first Sephora Play Boxing of 2018. My last Sephora Play Boxing almost got 400 views, which is kind of crazy. I don't know where that came from because usually these get like 10 views to 20 views, and that's kind of normal for me right now, but it was weird, so I was about to stop them, but maybe y'all like them because that was almost 400 views. That's, I think, my most viewed video currently on my channel, which is just crazy. I keep looking at it, and it's gone up a lot, and since but the last, 2 weeks it stopped going up, which is fine for me. But I think it's crazy, so definitely let me know in the comments if you do enjoy these videos, because I will keep doing them. I was gonna stop them. If you guys want me to stop them, let me know. I will keep the box subscription going, and personally for me, because I enjoy getting them. But yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos, definitely let me know. But I think it's crazy how many views that got, and I don't know where it came from. I guess because I titled it differently or what. I don't know what happened, but it was interesting, and it's crazy to me. Very mind-blowing that I can get that many views on that video. But yeah, let's just get on into the video and see what I got in the first Sephora Play box of 2018. Okay, so in the box, when I open it up, like always, you get the pamphlet and then the 50 card, that you can only use in the store. So this is just what's in it, and it's like a calendar on the back. I have no idea what it says on the back. It's weird. Why is my phone blowing up so much? Alright, so the bag looks like this. I feel like this character is always on the bag, like this girl and stuff. But yeah, it just says 2018 Happy New Year. First thing I grab, fell out of it. I was like, what happened to it? So we'll find that eventually. So I got this Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I love little masks, so I use masks all the time because I do get my hair bleached and toned, so I need to keep it healthy. Of course, any blonde needs to. Next, I got this Hydra Clay Detox Max by Ole Henriksen. That's really hard to actually say. It says, on the directions, apply a thin layer to clean dry face and neck. I never apply masks to my neck. Should I do that? I probably should. I moisturize my neck, but I don't apply masks to my neck. I feel like that would be weird. Anyways, leave on for 10 minutes, rinse off with water, and remove with a damp washcloth. So I will have fun doing that. I've been doing masks a lot lately, so I like the peel off mask because it's less cleanup. Anyways, we got the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I will definitely check that out. I wanted to keep trying out different moisturizers and cleansers and just any face products, so definitely gonna check that out. So if you guys have any suggestions for oily, acne prone skin, let me know in the comments below, because I'm definitely looking, and I just like to try new products because I get bored of using the same stuff over and over again. So yeah, definitely let me know in the comments below. Whoa, this is tiny. So this is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. It's tiny. I want new everything, so definitely gonna use that. And then this was what was in this. So the Photo Finish Primer's Eye. Why would you do that? So I have this thing where I can't say R's right next to each other. I can't do it. My tongue gets stuck. I won't do it. So Primerizer. There you go. I tried. There. It's really hard for me to say. I literally can't do it. I feel like everyone has their little things that they can't do when they speak. Me is just speaking in general, let's be honest. Anyways, it's a primer and a moisturizer in one. We will definitely look into that or try that. In the pamphlet it says 24-hour hydration, 127% instant moisturizer, 99% said it feels lightweight, 91% says makeup goes on flawlessly, 88% said it makes makeup last all day. I feel like that also depends on the makeup you're using. And then lastly we get this Cils Booster XL, and it's a mascara base. So you would put this, so it's like fiber lashes. So you would put this on first, and then you would put on mascara. So let it dry first, if you don't realize that, and then put that on. I don't really use these. I have actually a couple of them, and I never really use them. No reason. I just don't. So, yeah. I guess I'll try it out just for the sake of it. Like, I have it. Why not try it out? But, yeah. Other than that, that's really what's in this box. Like usual, I go through these really, really fast. But I really like this box this month. I'm looking for new things, so I will be using most of this, actually. Yeah, I don't think really there's one thing I wouldn't actually use. I mean, the mascara thing, the base mascara, I wouldn't really use. I know it's probably not something I will keep grabbing for, but I will try it out just for the sake of it, because I have it. But yeah, that is everything I got in today's box. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Definitely do that because YouTube's being crazy with who they're sharing. So definitely liking my videos helps me get out there for everybody else to see. And it's really up to you guys whether I am known or not, or like get more subscribers, which I really don't care, but it's nice to have other people watching. I'm fine with where I'm at, honestly. But yeah, liking my videos will help get me out there and other people finding me. And you can hit the bell notifications to be notified every time I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. You can also find me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?